Hey everybody, my toilet started running, it was leaking, so I knew that the stopper was bad, and then after that the handle broke off, so I had to replace that. So let me share with you what I had to do. So the handle on the inside broke off, the part that raises up the stopper there. So I had to get one of those. I had to turn the water off. Always turn the water off first. That way, when you flush it, it's going to use up all the water, so the tank will be empty. It's going to run all the way down so that you can lift the stopper up and the water won't go anywhere because it's too low. I had one of these sets, just the middle part, just that kit I already had at home, and I went to Lowe's and got the little handle. I didn't want to replace everything, so that's the old handle. I took the old handle off, and I didn't even use the whole kit. I just wanted that little stopper there, the red part on top. I was just going to replace that. So the old one is attached with kind of two connectors that sit on the ears. So that's the old one. You see those connectors in the back? They kind of like slide over the ears down there. Well, you just lift that off. And then I just took the new stopper from a kit because I didn't want to replace that pipe and do all that stuff. I wanted to have a quick repair, so I'll have some extra parts later. So just a matter of dropping that stopper over the hole and attaching the two connectors over the ears, so it's gonna stay in place for you. Then I had to move on to replacing that handle. So the handle was pretty easy as well. So just put the new handle in, and it's gonna come with instructions and hardware. So I just put the handle in, and then you screw it down nice and tight. Everything is plastic, so you don't want to go super tight and crack it. And then you just follow the instructions, put the handle on, and kind of see if it's gonna work with your chain. The whole idea is to pull the handle down. It should pull the chain and lift that stopper up long enough for the water to go down and make a complete flush. So that's what you're looking for. And I had to adjust it once or twice, but it's not a hard fix. Don't be intimidated. Just get the kit and follow the instructions on the kit. You don't have to be a plumber or anything like that. So at this point, I had to, further adjust it to get a proper flush. But you won't be able to test it until you reach down and turn the water back on. Remember, you have to turn it back on once you make the repair. Like I said, just follow the instructions on what you buy on the handle and the stopper. And I got it lined up. The tank filled up. I turned the water back on. The tank filled up. And I wanted to do a nice little test to see if everything was lined up properly. And I did my countdown and just flush. Listen for the magic sound. Get a complete flush. And if not, you just have to adjust that chain length. And it's like I said, don't be intimidated. It's a quick, easy fix, easy toilet repair. Replace the handle and the stopper. Thanks. Like and subscribe. Be blessed.